Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today's video will be some topic, guys. Those who are those who are feeling shy but want to make a channel in YouTube and you want to shine in YouTube. Okay, those who are the people, you are shy man, and as well as you want to shine in YouTube, guys. Okay, that people, this video will suitable for you guys. Okay, so making money without showing your face on YouTube, guys. A lot of bloggers, everyone will show their face and will make money in the YouTube, guys. But here, this is thing strategy you are following: make money without showing your face on YouTube, guys. Okay, so the first thing you can make, let's go to YouTube, guys. Okay, let's go to YouTube and click on cooking channel, guys. Okay, cooking videos. So first thing will be cooking videos, guys. Here a lot of channels will come, guys. Okay, in these cooking videos you don't want to talk or you don't want to show your face, guys. Just what are the things you are cooking and the things, what are your ingredients you are putting, everything you can show it in the English display as well, English talking as well, and you can show it in the background of a theme music. Okay, in the background of there is a theme music with whatever you are cooking, you can show everything in the display and you can make millions of money in the YouTube, guys. Okay, a lot of people thinking about only by showing the face, so without showing face, a lot of people are earning millions of dollars in YouTube, guys, because every people mindset is, if I show my face then only I can shine in YouTube. It's not like that. Without showing your face, without showing their anything, they are earning millions of dollars in YouTube, guys. Okay, the first thing will be cooking videos. First you have to show your cooking video strategies, everything with ingredients, with English subtitle, means everyone will understand, and with background a light music, that would be better, and your channel will reach millions of people as soon, guys. Okay, and the second channel will be gaming channel, guys. Okay, gaming channel. So the second channel will be gaming channel. Nowadays a lot of gaming channels is available if you are interested in gamer. Okay, if you are a gamer or interested in gaming, then you can make a gaming channel. In the gaming channel you don't want to show your face, guys. Okay, just what are the things you are playing, like Grand Theft Auto or whatever, the PUBG or whatever, anything, which game you are playing, you can show that game and you can make millions of money, guys. Okay, that's the thing nowadays is trending, because gaming is increasing in the world day by day. Everything is increasing in the world. Okay, so you can make millions of dollars without showing your face by just playing the games, guys. Okay, so the third thing will be, everyone knows this topic, guys. Third thing will be, it's most of the people have guessing also. Okay, pets channel, guys. Okay, that thing will be. So nowadays a lot of people, without showing their face, they are making their pets. Okay, showing their pets, and in some other forest areas showing their pets, or else they are just in the home itself they are showing their pets and making money in the YouTube channel. Here's a lot of channels are available by showing their pets, guys. Okay, in these pet channels also you don't want to show your face, guys. Okay, by just showing your pets, dogs, everything, bats, everything, by showing everything in a forest or wherever you go, by showing there you can make money, guys. In this channel also you don't want to show your face, guys. Okay, like this nowadays a lot of people having a lot of knowledge to make money in the YouTube without showing your face, guys. Okay, so if you are the people, you don't want to show your face on the YouTube and you still want to make money in the YouTube, guys. Okay, you still want to make money in the YouTube, you can, this would be suitable for you, guys. Okay, make money in gaming channel, make money in pets, as well as the first one, guys. Okay, so don't miss this. Okay, if you want to shine in YouTube, you can start any one of these one, guys. Okay, if you want to start any one of the channel, you can do this one, guys. Okay, if without showing your face also you can earn millions of subscribers and millions of money in the YouTube, guys. Okay, because YouTube is the only platform that can earn very big money in do well. Okay, so 2022, which business is suitable for you in online means that would be YouTube, guys. Okay, so don't miss this. Just think about it, which online business, which YouTube channel I can succeed. Okay, just think about it. What's your strength? If your strength is in gaming, you can start gaming channel. If your strength in cooking, you can start cooking channel. If your strength in pets or animals, you can start pets channel, guys. Okay, like that, without showing your face, you can reach millions of subscribers and millions of money in YouTube, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. Just check it, which one is suitable for us, and you can start your own YouTube channel without showing your face. Okay, if you are not ready to show your face also, you can shine in YouTube and you can make millions of dollars in the market, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much.